Stockers, a very good afternoon. Market have just closed and it have closed in red today. It's 6th of September 2020. Let's dissect the market index first and then we check out some stocks as well. But before that, intro first. So the market started to rally right from this level, that is around 2050. It went up till 2308 and from there it started to retrace. It took a hold right at the support level, which was previously acting as a resistance, and it took a bounce off, went up till 2285. Today it gave a closing in red, a solid red candle. Why is it? Is it because Dow Jones closed in red? Is it because US market started to panic sell? We don't know. Is it because of coronavirus? We don't know. We go as per the chart what the market says us. Let me move down to 15 minutes chart and we dissect the market in detail. This is the 15-minute chart. Let me adjust right here. The moment market opened with solid red candle, I was like, yes, today market will be in heavy selling mode and we can see some stocks getting punished. This in 15 minutes is an uptrend making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. And from here it have started to make lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high. So, is this beginning of a downtrend? We don't know yet. Let's go back again to daily chart and let me show you something on technical basis. How do we dissect this one? Let me remove this one also. Okay. So this level right here is the lowest level of the market. It went after this rally. Right. It came here, it bounced, it went up again. In order to confirm downtrend, we have to see a lower low and lower high. If this is lower high, we have to see a lower low as well. So if till the time this level is not taken out, we cannot say it's a downtrend. We are still in an uptrend for sure. Let's see how the market performs tomorrow. First stock is DR. It closed in red today, right here with this candle. In fact, most of the stocks on Dubai Financial Market today closed in red. Let me give you a quick recap of my entry and exit level. My entry was right here at 0.301. My stop loss was at 0.298 right here. When it did at 0.298 during the day, I immediately offloaded half of my quantities as I was not confident with this one. DR but still looks bullish. So how do we trade DR? Well, till the time it's above 0.30 level, that is right here, this is acting as a strong support as of now, but also getting weaker at the same time as it's been tested so many times. As of now, it's in a range right at the resistance level. At times it comes down, it goes up, it comes down, again it goes up. So the more time it spends near the resistance level, you will be able to see more bigger move on either of the sides. I'm still bullish on this one. I'm expecting it will break to the upside and the move will be very big. Union Properties. It's closed in green today and I'm a bit surprised, as I was expecting it to close in red, as most of the stocks have closed in red and with a gap down. Now, this one is still within the symmetrical triangle pattern, right here as you can see. Eventually it will give a breakout either to the upside or to the downside right at the apex. Now, how do we know when it will give a breakout? We just simply estimate the apex time. Let me show you. Let me remove this arrow. And we count the candles. This is today's candle. We count the candles from here. So somewhere around this area is the apex of the triangle. We can expect a breakout in this zone. So we see it needs around 14 bars. That is 14 days and 18 days including the weekend. So let's wait and see how it performs. Emaar Properties, surely in an uptrend. I did mention about the support level as well, right here. This is a support and it took a bounce from here. Today it have made a candlestick pattern. It opened within the range of previous day's candle, that is this green candle. Let me mark. This was the closing, this was the opening. So this candle is within this candle. So if you want to trade this one, just stalk this one, wait and watch. If it breaks to the upside, immediately buy. Your next target is right here at around 3.11, that is near 200 EMA. Now scenario number 2 is, if it does not hold and it moves down, there are good chances that it will come back to the support, take a bounce, make a W pattern and you can enter the trade at the support level as well once you see the bounce. Gulf Financial House. 3 red candles consecutively. I was expecting it would take a halt at least at this level, that is around 0.623, but it did not, and it pierced down this level. Now there are 2 scenarios. Let me explain you one by one. Scenario number 1. This is a strong support level, no doubt 0.615, as this candle took a huge bounce from this level. So if this level is holding and if it is not broken, then we are good to say we are still in uptrend. Otherwise, if this level is broken and we see price coming further down, then we can say that double top pattern is activated. Right, it did try to cross one, it got rejected, came back again down and pushed to the upside, it got rejected, and also it have taken out the lows, that is 0.615. So we have to watch out now how it performs tomorrow or in coming days at this level. Damac Properties. I did mention about my trade on this one. I exited at almost break even, or you can say very little profit. Okay, so this is the resistance level, or I should say this was the resistance level. It did try to break here, it could not, it came down, it got rejected. Again it went for the second try, it got rejected, again came down, but this time it made a higher low, and then again it went up, crossing this resistance line. Today again it have come down, but it have made a dodgy candle. Let me remove this arrow. Yeah, it have made a dodgy candle. It means indecisiveness. There are good chances it can go up to the upside now. Aman, it made a bearish pattern. This red candle, as you can see, it opened with a gap up and then it pierced down the green candle with at least more than half of its range. And today it have made a small green candle. Still, it's very tricky. Do not enter the trade. Wait for it to give you a confirmation if it is coming down at support and then taking a bounce, or if it is resuming its uptrend. We wait and stock this one. Amlak. I don't trade Amlak these days because it have been moved to category B. Also, it keeps on getting suspended. It's in a range, no doubt. The range of this stock is around 0.317 to 0.350. It did try to break the range. It did come to 0.260 and it took a bounce from there. Today it have made a good solid green candle right from the support level. This should be the next target, that is around 200 EMA, 0.350 again. If you want to trade this for intraday, yes, there is still a gap. You can see, you can enter very quickly, you can exit very quickly. So this one is a short trade on Amlak. Dubai Islamic Bank. Even this stock could not perform well today, and it have made the same pattern, inside day candle. So you know how to trade this one. Just keep stocking. The moment it crosses this resistance level, enter the trade. Else, wait for it to come down to the support level, take a bounce and go long again. That's it guys. If you like this video and my analysis, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.